Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy multiple text box in Microsoft Publisher. So get started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show copy multiple text box. Now select from your text box. Then select from your two text box. Now go to the home menu option, then click for a copy option. That's it. Now click for another place. Now going to the home menu option, then click for a paste option. That's it. Now move the other place is text box. Then again other paste. Now click for paste option. That's it. Now move from a text box. That is. Then I show copy multiple text box in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.